The TicWatch Pro 5 is one of the latest Wear OS devices to come out this year, and it promises to give users an edge over competing smart wearables. Today we have it here with us, and we're going to go over some of the features that it packs inside. Let's get started. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Team BRY. And so a while back, Mobboy was kind enough to send us their newest TicWatch Pro 5, and we've had a chance to check it out here on the channel. If you want to check out the watch for yourself, I will drop some links in the description below, as well as links to our older TicWatch videos. So does the TicWatch Pro 5 come with everything you need in a smartwatch? Let's take a look. Alright, so unboxing the package, you do get the watch itself as well as a charging cable and some paperwork, including your manuals and warranty. It's a pretty straightforward package, and you do get everything you need to get started with the TicWatch Pro 5. Going over the watch's design, the TicWatch Pro 5 greatly resembles the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, although there are key differences between the two. For example, the two control buttons on the side are now gone and are replaced by a rotating crown and a single button. The watch features a 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen covered with Gorilla Glass and also retains a secondary display that only shows essential info like time and date and saves your battery life. There's a bezel that surrounds the display, which adds a bit of a premium look and feel to the watch, although it doesn't rotate unlike the one found on the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Watch 6 Classic. The TicWatch Pro 5 goes for a very industrialist and rugged design. Its body is made from a combination of aluminum and nylon material, so it will be safe from outdoor elements including rain, ice, sand, and even shocks and bumps. I would have loved to see a full aluminum casing on the watch, although that probably would have added to the price. The silicone straps are interchangeable, so you can switch up the look of the device. Inside, the TicWatch Pro 5 is powered by the Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 wearable platform and does feature Wear OS 3 inside. It also comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which should allow for enough space to install apps on the wearable. There's a healthy selection of sensors on the TicWatch Pro 5, which comes with an accelerometer, gyro sensor, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, skin temperature sensor, low latency off-body sensor, a barometer, and a compass. Other hardware features include a vibration motor for haptics and notifications, a speaker, microphone, Bluetooth 5.2, and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, as well as NFC. The watch is powered by a 628 mAh battery, which Mobboy says can last up to 80 hours on average. Based on my usage so far, it was able to last around 2 to 3 days, which is pretty impressive, especially considering that most other smartwatches don't make it past a day. This is with moderate use though, so expect to be on the charger if you use your watch more often. Setting up the TicWatch Pro 5 is pretty straightforward, as you'll just need to install the Mobboy app on your phone and pair the watch to your device. As we mentioned earlier, the watch does come with Wear OS 3, and I'm really hoping that we get a Wear OS 4 update as well without any delays this time. Using the watch has been a pretty good experience so far, and if you're coming from a TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, it should feel very familiar to you. The interface is nice and fluid, and navigating through the device using the touchscreen, rotating crown, and the action button is pretty straightforward. Despite the large size, it doesn't feel too heavy on my wrist either. The TicWatch Pro 5 does come with several pre-installed apps from Mobboy, including several watch faces and exercise modes, and a ton of fitness tracking software. One weird omission from the Pro 5's feature list, however, is Google Assistant. This might be a bit of a disappointment, especially for users who are after Google Assistant functionality on their smartwatch. With that being said though, there's a multitude of different exercise modes on the TicWatch Pro 5. And if what you're after is a device that can keep up with your activities, then the watch will do a pretty good job with that. I do wish that the Mobboy app was a bit more visually intuitive, as some of the UI elements on the app seem all over the place at times. At the end of the day though, it gets the job done nice and simple. For a price of around $350 in North America and around £329 in the UK, the TicWatch Pro 5 is a bit more affordable compared to competing devices like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and the Watch 6 series, and it does come with some impressive features such as a sturdy design, a large and responsive display, as well as good battery performance. There are some factors to consider however, such as the lack of Google Assistant support, the overabundance of separate Mobboy apps, and the lack of other size options. But if these do not bother you, then the TicWatch Pro 5 will be enough to get you the essentials from Wear OS. Alright, so that's it for this quick video. Be sure to let us know your thoughts on the TicWatch Pro 5 in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.